Bonjour, bonjour, mes amis. I am Jessie and I run a blog called Cappuccinos in Consignment. If you are new here, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Well, that's two things. And then after that, head on over to my blog, cappuccinosincconsignment.com, and to my Instagram, same name, cappuccinosincconsignment.com. So I like to say that I speak Fendi French and finance. Oui, mon chéri. My blog focuses on lifestyle, travel, and most importantly, finance. I have not really officially started my YouTube channel for the most part. I have been using YouTube as like a byproduct. When videos are too large for my blog, I upload them here, then embed them to my blog. But this will become official, so go ahead and subscribe. I asked my mes amis over on Instagram, were they interested in knowing what I am packing to the hospital? I am 8 months pregnant. 2 weeks ago, I had a scare and I was not prepared. I did not have anything ready. And I also asked mes amis what I should take to the hospital. Should I use the Fendi duffel or my Louis Vuitton keep all? Everyone voted for the Fendi, which is appropriate because when I announced my pregnancy on Instagram, I did it with an unboxing with this. So it all came around full circle. I should also know, if you are looking for an extensive, thorough mommy packing hospital thing, this is not the video for you. I am like barely alive right now and trying to hang on to the 1,000 tabs that's open in my head. So this video, I am packing my items. The husband is packing everything for the baby, which we refer to as Babbiccina. So yes, now that we got that out the way, I'm just so, this is overwhelming, very overwhelming. As I started researching this, and I made a mistake of calling my friend who was like the ultimate mommy, and she scared me to pieces when I asked, like, what should I pack in my baby bag? And she's like, do you have copies of your birthing plan? I just planned to go to the hospital and give birth. I didn't know I needed an entire plan. So with that being said, yeah, this is not a manual for what to take to the hospital. So moving along, I am packing my toiletry pouch because that's what it's made for. And I have already started packing, so I'm kind of like unpacking and packing. In my toiletry pouch, I have my face oil. What else? I'm going to move this out the way because it is really, really bulky. I don't even remember what this is, so maybe I shouldn't pack this to the hospital. I'm assuming some kind of makeup remover. I'm just going to put that to the side because I don't know what that is. A facial mist. More moisturizers. My skin has been peeling so bad. I don't know if it's from wearing the mask constantly or just like pregnancy hormones. So I have like all hands on deck, like intense moisturizers. I have a cleanser, toothbrush, toothpaste. I'm not taking my really nice toothbrush and toothpaste because, ooh, what is that? It's so aggressive. I have a fur bench that my phone is propped on, so that's what's going on here. I am not taking my real toothbrush, like my motorized one, because hospitals are just gross, and I don't want to have my real one there. I just plan on disposing it. Listerine, of course. My Hermes perfume that I absolutely love. I just want to have the petite luxuries while I am there. Makeup wipes, I don't foresee me needing that. Oh, this is so annoying. Get away. I don't foresee me needing this, but you never know. Cotton swab. It is, I mean, this is ridiculous. Come on, let me just let it fall. I don't foresee me needing this, but in the event that I do, why not? So that's that. Oh, also, I want to use this mask. I feel like I'm going to treat myself to one mask while I'm in the hospital. So it's like a red wine sheet mask. It's not messy, so I feel that that should be fine. Okay, so toiletry pouch. Also, I read about this. I did take away one thing from one of the mommy blogs, and it was the perineal spray, a herbal kind of thing that all the moms were raging about. So I went ahead and bought this. Why not? I also plan to take whatever polish my nails are in the event that they chip. They would have to admit me to like the ER if my nails chipped and I didn't have polish. So my shower shoes, I will take these. I have a set, like a robe set. So it came with the robe and the nightgown that's accessible for the baby. So I will have that. These, I plan on nursing. I hope I don't knock the phone over. I plan on nursing. So I purchased these reusable bamboo nursing pads. They're reusable. I'm trying to go green. And this like kind of support. Oh, this, I hope it just, oh, so it snaps off. This is my first time seeing this. Once I got everything, I just washed it. And you just take out the inserts. So I'm packing 2 of these because I am hoping I'll just be in the hospital for 2 days. I think they give us 48 hours now. Who knows? I haven't done this in 13 years. So that, let's see, I have to have my leather leggings. I plan on wearing this in the hospital if I can change. I don't know, just in case. And my sweater. So look, this is what I love about this sweater. How awesome is this? Let's see if I can get it. Peekaboo. So I can nurse like without showing everything. So you're supposed to like tuck the baby here and you can just boop. I love like just the ingenuity. We did not have this 13 years ago. 13 years ago, I'm like, and I have 2 sets. I have a very addictive personality. So when I find things that I like, I buy it in bulk. So same thing. Let's see. I also plan to take my PM with me. Just, you know, if I want to take notes, thoughts. I'm so old school. Like I love writing. We're so dependent on our phones, but there's nothing like just writing down your thoughts. So I will take that. Oh, I should have included this with my toiletry. I have my Joe Malone set, so I will take some items from here. Just some nice fragrances. I want to, you know, make it an experience because this should be the last. I am going to take my iPad. I know they have TVs at the hospital, but the husband may want to watch something and I just want to have my own source of entertainment in the event. I am packing a book and my document pouch. I really don't remember if there were a lot of papers once we got discharged or not. I don't know, but I want to just have a safe space for all. I'm sure there has to be something. They're not just going to give me the baby and I go. So yeah, taking this for my documents, and that is it for me. Again, the husband is packing for Babbiccina. She has her like Gucci diaper bag. If you have not watched that unboxing, go ahead and do that. It's so cute. It was a surprise at the baby shower. So I think I am done. If there is something important that you think I need, let me know. But again, I'm there for 2 days. How much do I really need? I'm sure I need more. Alrighty, I do hope that you enjoyed, and ciao for now.